My name is Lily. I am Lily. I am 18 years old. I am young. I am Brazilian. I am a student. In my family, there are 3 people. There is my father. There is my mother. There is me. My father is 40 years old. He is a police officer. He works a lot. My father likes movies. He likes to watch movies. He goes to the cinema. He goes to the cinema often. My mother is 40 years old. She is a nurse. She works in a hospital. The hospital is small. The hospital is near our house. My mother likes cooking. She cooks at home. She cooks 2 times a week. My father is Brazilian. My mother is not Brazilian. She is Mexican. My grandparents live in Mexico. Sometimes we go to Mexico. Sometimes my grandparents come to Brazil. My grandparents have a house in Brazil. The house is nice. I have 2 dogs. I do not have cats. My dogs are black. My dogs are small. My dogs are very active. My dogs play together. My dogs play in the yard. My dogs like to play. My dogs like to eat. My dogs like to sleep. They are very loving. They are happy dogs. What a good life! I speak. My dogs hear my voice. They run to me. They are very happy. My house is big. My house is comfortable. There are 3 bedrooms. There is a living room. There are 2 bathrooms. There is a kitchen. There is a laundry room. There is a big yard. I sleep in my bedroom. My parents sleep in their bedroom. One room is an office. We work there. We live in a small city. The city is small. The city is calm. The people are kind. The people are nice. My school is near my house. My school has many students. I have many friends at school. My friends are nice. My friends and I study together. We like to study together. We live near each other. We are close. When we have time, we play video games. We play together. We have fun together.